Hey guys, my name is Nazza Crypto, and today we're going to talk about a really important topic. It's copy trading and how to find meme coins before everyone else and make huge returns on your investment. So first of all, I will show some of the tools I use personally to find all of these insider wallets and also find these meme coins before everyone else, and of course jump in at these low market caps. So the tool is called Candlestick and you'll find it in the description. And I think at the end of the video, you will understand how to actually use these tools to your benefit. So first of all, let's jump in and learn all the features Candlesticks has to offer. Again, the tool is in the description, so after watching my video, you can jump in. So they call this tool Crypto Opportunity Radar and Predictions for Alpha Traders. And we can actually learn all about it in the main page just to see all the features. And later I will show you how to actually use these features, how to find the traders, how to find the tokens. So you can find different real-time opportunities, capture every piece of 100 million plus label addresses on chain, 20 plus signals, plus 40 plus exclusive charts and metrics. So they actually have the charts. After that, chasing alpha with smart money. So they have different actually ways to categorize these wallets. So they have for the new token hunting, the Degen Explorer, best meme coin traders with 70% win rate, which is actually for crypto insanely high. And if you find someone with this high of a win rate, you actually have a winner. I think you would make like thousands of dollars. After that, for small, large caps, they have smart money traders. So these are algorithm-generated most profitable smart DEX traders, DeFi OGs, and VCs. So basically, these are some bigger wallets or maybe some known people in the crypto space, because usually these big funds and famous people in crypto, they have some inside knowledge and you can copy their trades and actually perform similar to them with this tool. And after that, you can get alerts for all of these trades, and even you can get these alerts on Telegram. That's what I personally do. I have these alerts on Telegram. So once some of the Degen wallets or some of the bigger wallets move their money, buy some tokens, I get notification on Telegram. Of course, I check the token. I never buy it blindly. I always do some research, never buy it blindly, because of course there's risk. And with Degen wallets, of course, there is even more risk because the tokens can rock. Some people are just throwing money on different tokens like at casino. So even when you find some good wallet, you still need to do some of the research. And now let's jump into actual platform to see how it all looks from the inside. So actually, it's a really simple platform, I would say beginner friendly. And just to start off, let's start at the trader scan, where you can find different traders and their trades and their win rate and how much money they put, what coins they bought. And on the left, you can see the leaderboard by the win rate and the total return on investment or profit. So let's start off with the total ROI. And here on top, you can select different filtering tools. So I will show one example. How would I personally look for the trader right now? So tokens traded. So I would pick 1 month because we want to see a trader that is pretty active and bought some tokens in the past month. After that, you can see active within 7 days. Yeah, I think 7 days makes sense. Total profit. So you can select how much would you like the trader to actually make in profits. I would say 50,000. Okay, 60,000. Let's do 60K. After that, we can select win rate. I would say someone above, let's do 70. Let's go higher. Yes. Okay, maybe 60%. I think maybe it's also pretty good. 60%. After that, how many tokens? So of course, you want someone who traded more tokens. You don't want someone who just bet once and won. So let's go like 15 tokens traded. Okay, and now we can see different traders, their total ROIs, the total profit, and average by size. So you can actually see how much money they spent to generate this profit. And of course, some people don't want to spend that much money, so you can select the cost of this profit for this investor. So let's go, I would say maybe, let's go like low, 700. And now you can see different trader wallets that fit our filters, what we're looking for. Of course, you can tweak these filters for yourself, like you can go lower cost, you can see, go for higher win rate. But for example, the top wallet, you can see the total ROI is 85%, really, really impressive. Total profit is 68,000, like again, really, really good. And you can see the win rate is 19 wins and only 4 losses. I would say it's really, really impressive. And in my opinion, this person should have some kind of inside knowledge, or maybe he's just really lucky, or maybe he knows something we don't, because this is a really impressive win rate, 82%. After that, you can see wallets with like, again, 80% win rate. So he bet way more. So he won 72 and 18 losers. In my opinion, really impressive. total ROI 10%. Again, still pretty good. Total profit 73,000. Also, you can see the average buy size. Again, you can look for lower, or you can go for less trades, because some of these wallets with less trades actually put in less money. You can see, for example, this one did 25x, and the average buy size is only $420. Total profit 86,000, which is crazy, guys. 5 wins, 3 losses, and you can actually click on this wallet. Or maybe let's go for the top wallet, and you can see what kind of tokens this wallet actually traded. So you can see he made 63x with the token Troll. Actually, I also bought this token, but I sold like at 5 or 6x because I'm a pussy. After that, he made 3.7x with the board. He did 1.2x with the bark. So basically, you can see all of the information right here, and you can also add him to the watch list. So this is actually how you find these wallets, and I think this is the easiest tool out there. And I haven't seen anybody actually talk about it. I think this is still pretty secret tool. And of course, guys, I'm sharing it with you. So don't forget to subscribe. And also, quick reminder, we have a VIP group, link in the description, where we are sharing our trading signals. We are sharing private sale allocation, public sale allocation. We're doing whitelist giveaways for the meme coins, for the big projects. So in my opinion, guys, it's a no-brainer. Join my group and let's talk inside. And let's get back to the Candlestick. And actually, they have even more features. You can get alerts. But now let's go to the tokens. And actually, there you can find different tokens. It's like a token explorer. You can see the top gainers, top losers. But what interests me more is smart money and stealth money. So you can click right here, and you can see smart money trades and Degen Explorer. So for example, click smart money trades. And again, you can see different smart money trades happening right now. Or Degen Explorer again. Degen Explorer is like more of a Degen coins. And actually, you can see I do have the alerts set for my Telegram. If you click alerts, you can actually set them. So you can see address event. You can select address list. So select any of these DeFi, OG list, stealth money. So for example, let's go stealth money. Buy list, any token. Also click in Degen Explorer because you want to see all of these Degen tokens, because these tokens usually make the biggest returns. So click right there. Next up, you can put in the minimum value of the ticket. So I would say like something above 100 or maybe 200, because you don't want to like get notifications for like buys of $5. And after that, you can select for once per 10 minutes. And lastly, I would recommend you to actually set up Telegram notification, because this is the best way and the fastest way to get these news. And of course, be early. You don't want to get notification for some really good token and see it like next day, once it's already 5x or 10x. So in my opinion, this is one of the best tools right now to find these really great tokens before everyone else, and also find all of these secret trader wallets, and of course get some inside knowledge, copy their trades, and of course make the biggest returns in the bull run. And again, guys, I will leave the link for the Candlestick in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.